So, back at Le Mans, the MX-5, a bit further up the grid this time. Starting to learn the track a little bit.
Green, green, green.
See if we can get away. Yeah, that car number 12 didn't get away very well. He's going to get swamped, I think. It's all slipstream, so as long as we just keep with this group, we don't need to win it into the first corner.
Keep to the right. Clear. Car on your left. Still there, hold your line. Clear, left side.
Okay, I'm still going.
On the right.
That was rude.
Stay on the right. Clear on the left. Car on your left. Clear on the left.
There's no need really to fight on these corners. So we'll all be together on the straight. As long as we don't have an off track. Which is easy to do there. That guy's had one. We've got to slow down behind. And I'm not going to push people along. So I tried a race and I sort of was bump drafting someone and it damaged my nose. And I had aerodynamic damage. Still managed to finish quite well, but yeah, so I'm not going to do that anymore. I think. Let's just be sensible here. Obviously, tyres were a little bit slippy early on. That guy made a mess of it.
Right side.
So we'll go by.
Still there.
Hopefully get by enough and then pick up the slipstream. Just what we've done. Leaving him behind a little bit. But yeah, we're all going to be together. There's no getting away. Let's hope people are sensible. This guy behind looks pretty quick, doesn't he? I do want to be careful here. I don't want to get involved in any bumping and boring early on whilst we're at the front.
Right
Let
side.
this guy go, I think.
Still there. Clear.
Don't need to be in front of him.
Car right.
Okay, so somebody diving up the inside there.
Still there, hold your line.
So there's no real need for that.
You're on the left, 3 wide.
It's early on.
Still there.
Just
still
feel somebody bumping me a little bit.
there. Right side, 2 wide.
No need.
Keep to the left.
As long as we keep with the leading group, we're okay.
Keep to the left. Still there.
I think we're okay. We're still with them.
Stay on the left. Keep to the
Let
left.
these two go, I think.
Clear.
I don't need to be battling with them into that corner. It's a big old group, isn't it, by the looks of it? I'm fairly happy being at the back of it. I don't mind that. You can see what's happening then. As long as we don't get dropped off the back. The danger is in this next section. If you're slow in this next section, you can lose a lot of time. When we actually get to some twisty bits. We are still all together, so hopefully we'll be alright.
Car on your left. Clear.
He wasn't paying attention, was he? Tyres are still a little bit slippy. That's probably causing us the problem here. We're all bunching up, which is not great. Those two are hitting each other. So yeah, we're going to lose a bit of time through this section. The problem is what happens is the guys behind think they can then sort of sweep through because we're bunched up, but you can't really. Okay, well, that's the worst of it. We're all still together, I think.
12.303.
I think we'll all close up again on the straight. If I can get a good exit onto the straight without getting a slowdown. Oh, yeah. Lots of sort of sudden slowing, isn't there, for some reason? There's a gap emerging here. Which is not what we want. I don't know why that guy would be braking there. Goodness. He's got to slow down. Right.
All right. Clear on the right.
And you have to take it early, otherwise it just keeps on growing. He's obviously learnt that lesson.
Car on your left. Keep to the right. Keep to the right. Clear. Right side. Still
Right.
there. Clear.
Let's go off with this group then if we can. Second behind them. 1.1 now, so we're just out of slipstream range by the looks of it. They're trying to break the slipstream. I don't know why they're bothering. You're never going to break it at that close. Yeah, I'll crash behind. Don't know what happened there. They're just trying to go in too quick, I think. Giving us a bit of breathing space behind, so hopefully this group will just get away. Let's work together, guys, and get away from the big group behind.
What are you fools weaving for? What are you going to hide behind a tree? Idiots.
Yeah, you're not going to ditch the draft here. So these two ahead are leaning on each other. Neither of them wants to give way. He's got to slow down by the looks of it.
Right side. Clear.
So that's good for us. What's this guy doing?
Car on your left. You're on the right. 3 wide.
Okay, we'll go through.
Leader. Still there. Still there. Left side. 2 wide. There's an incident behind. Clear.
Okay, we got through okay, and they're still together.
Behind.
Let's get out there quickly if we can. I don't know why they're weaving. Weaving isn't helping us, mate. Just go straight and we can get away. Don't know what he's doing. Whether he thinks he can get away or what, I don't know. But he's not going to get away weaving like that. We might get away if we work together, but he's not going to get away on his own. I can do that in 4th if I wanted to, but okay, well, Let's see if we can get away.
For 20 minutes to go.
Oh, not like that we won't. Fuck.
Right
That
side.
was dreadful. Oh, what the hell?
58.541. You're now in
Pretty
third.
intense. Thanks, man.
What the hell were you doing?
Your car has too much damage. We've got to fix it. Required repairs are 25
Dave.
minutes, 0 seconds. Optional repairs are 4 minutes, 13 seconds. We can repair most of the damage.
What?
Were you off the track there? I wasn't sure. Because I didn't turn my wheel.
So, what do you mean he doesn't turn his wheel? He just drives into me. What the hell? Oh, how much damage have we got? Oh, 25 minutes. Look at that. I don't think that's going to work, is it? Ah, well, I think we'll end it there.